I just got my Nutribullet replacement extractor blades because the old blades, they wore out because I was using my Nutribullet too much. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up so you can see what the replacement is looking like. Here is the rubber gasket that goes on it right here. And by the way, here's my Nutribullet right here. This is the bottom part, the base, and here is the container that the ingredients go in. So I'm going to take the Nutribullet bottom base plate thing right here, and on it comes some instructions right here. It says, it's sharp blades do not touch the blades. So these blades right here are sharp, so please do not touch that. Do not remove the cup blade assembly until blades completely stop moving. Never place the blade assembly on a motor base unless assembled to the cup. Okay, so they're saying don't place this in here unless it's assembled to the cup. Very important because you don't want to injure yourself. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this rubber gasket on right here. And be careful because the blades, just like they said, are sharp. So I'm going to put this rubber gasket right in here. I believe it goes in there like that, right? Here, let me go ahead. Place this in here. So I'm going to take the rubber gasket and I'm going to be careful not to touch the blade. And I'm just going to put it around in this ring and fit it down in there quite nicely. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. Is that the way it goes right there? Or is it? Alright, so I have the blade. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Get down a little bit closer so you can see this process right here. So I'm going to put this in. Just line it up. Go around. You see what I'm doing? I'm fitting it in to the slot. It's not going in properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and press it in here. Just take one hand and just be careful because the blades are sharp. I just touched one by accident and I thought it was a wrap for... Alright, so it's kind of tough getting this in here, but you know what? There's a will, there's a way. So I'm pressing this in here and it seems to be coming out as I get back around. So maybe hold something in place. Gonna get that. Let me take a quick second look at this right here. This is not supposed to be this complicated to get on. So what if I has that right there? So I'm going to place this in, and I'm going to, let me see. Make sure this is, pull this off really quick. Hold on. Do not do that. That was a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. So disregard this move that I just did right here. You don't want to do that. So I'm going to put this back into place. Spin it on. Alright, come on, spin on. As you can see, this demonstration is going well. As soon as I can get this cap on. Let me move down so you can see this better, so you can get a better idea of how skillful I am. I don't know why it's not coming on here. So the thread is right there. So you have to get it down to the thread. So I'm getting it down to the thread and spin it on. This is awkward. I'm going to get it down in there. There we go. Catch the thread, that's the name of it. I don't know why this is not cooperating. Maybe I have to go the other way. There we go. So I got to do it the other way. Made up for my mistake right here. So it's back on. Remember, do not try to remove that at all. It's all right. So I have this on. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this into place like I was trying to do before. Simply just go around, circular motion, and it keeps on popping up, so I'm having a little bit of issues with this. So I'm going to try to hold my finger into place. Can't quite figure it out. So like once it goes on, it's supposed to be sealed right here, and this rubber gasket is supposed to lock into place so I don't have any issues with this. And for some reason or another, here, how about if I go at an angle like this? Go at an angle. Perhaps use spider fingers. Alright, that didn't do it. How the world am I supposed to put this on? We're going to figure it out because this is what I do. Let's see. Put it right here. There's a hook right there. So let me go on this side. Pull it down there. Try to get it situated in there. Get it situated in there perfectly. See how nice it's fitting in there. Use spider fingers again. Take a look at this, see what's going on. Oh, you know why it's not going in there? Because there is already one in there. So this is a spare ring just in case this one comes off. And then you have to disconnect this and put the spare ring in there. Silly me. So there's already a ring in here. If you touch down here, that is the ring. So if you're going to replace the ring, you take this off and you put the ring in there. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and just put this on like this. It's secure and tight. And then up here so you can see with NeutriBullet. Come on a little bit. And you just go ahead, once you have your ingredients in here, you probably take that off if you've already read it. And you put it in here. And it's back to doing it, okay? Remember, don't pull it out until the blade stops, okay? Wait for it to stop, then you can pull it out. You see that? That's how you put on a replacement blade for the NeutriBullet. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.